How to deposit checks with Zion Bank's mobile app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you or teach you how you can deposit checks with Zion Bank mobile app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So here we are heading over to Zion Bank's website and their tutorial on how you can deposit checks. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So what you can do to deposit your check from Zion Bank is first just log in into your Zion Bank's mobile app. After you log in into your Zion Bank's mobile app, what you can do is you'll first just need to take pictures of your check, and after you take a picture of your check, you will need to deposit it. For that, you can tap on deposit check option on your mobile app, and after you do so, you'll then need to put the picture. The picture needs to be in a non-reflective background. It should be well lit, and you will need to have correct details on the check. After that, you can follow the prompts from the app itself, and after you do that, you can simply deposit it. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.